But better for the how far. Hope you all my fine. Hope you all my woke up fine. So today in another episode for Better Topo, and today what the language on a Better Topo is on get where they do something will be very strange because no be common career path for Cameroon. It be nude model. A name na Nina Mbunwe. So make una stay tuned, and after the break we'll consider the language on a Better Topo with Nina. Okay, my better, just as a bit there, today we language on a Better Topo with Nina Mbunwe. Nina, how far?
Fine. How are you?
Ade, mommy. Ade.
Okay.
How your side?
My side they fine with Pusham.
So for any person who don't know you, how you introduce yourself?
I'll introduce myself as Nina Mbunwe, the artistic nude model.
Okay. So tell me about artistic nude model. What's it now? Who be artistic nude model?
Artistic nude model a person where he actually feel confident about himself, and he use himself like as in he use his skin for tell a story or how she feels. Yeah, so that's just the brief.
Okay. So tell me about yourself. Tell me about your educational background, how you grew up, how you go, which village, how you go.
Okay, I come out northwest from Mapana Meta, Mamamina and Kambe, but I grew up for north, the northern part of Cameroon. I grew up for some small village with the name Menganga.
Okay.
Yeah, so I go my primary school for there. I grew up with my grandmommy. Then time we die, we come back the other side. Then I grew up again with my great grandmommy. So I never go school. I never go school because of financial problems. So I go school, get my advanced level. Then money not be there for continuous school. So I stop. Then I study a little bit of computer. Then I want to do business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about how you come about this artistic media, like how you enter inside, how you choose a mass career.
That when I grow up, I be they like if I remember very well, they plenty people there when they see me, they always try to mention something where it be close to modeling or stuff like that. So finally in 2017, I meet up my photographer, Ambe Lawrence, and na person who I don't know you first, but it make a long time we not meet up. Then we meet up again for Yaoundé. Then we decide say I want to do photo shoot. So the first photo shoot we get that year, around November 2017. It was not, be being naked actually, but it be. I don't see a lot of confidence for the picture. So Sunday we want to shoot some particular picture. I decided to say I want wear clothes, but the reflection for mirror could be kind of art, a little bit naked and stuff like that. So after that particular photo, I realized I post confidently, and the picture will be more good than the one who will be shooting where I be dressed up. Yes, and then it just inspired me. Firstly, that when I grow up for North, I faced a lot of difficulties growing up because I be grow for environment where all man are Muslim. Then I be the only person where it be the chef. So they be used to call me back then a garçon raté for French. So I be the chef then, yes. Tomboy, my grandma maybe they dress me up like a boy. Everything about me was.
Why
I don't know if you just choose big trousers, all these boyfriend trousers that we wear them back then already. I remember Sunday where I get some problem. I want to go hospital. I be wear female slippers. So they begin for inject me for my buttocks. As the doctor inject me, he see my slippers and he be like, wow, the situation be really strong. So you wearing a woman's slippers.
So a boy.
Yeah, if it's been a boy, so it be. Make I not figure friend, they be always the bully me stuff like that. So I felt like I want to be comfortable. I decided to say I want to go into this choice of modeling. And firstly, in the Cameroon, I wanted to try and introduce something new and just be different.
Wow. So tell me about your inspiration for you don't explain why you decide to enter inside modeling. Now tell me about the nude modeling itself. So how it be like? Tell me about the creative process. So tell me what take picture. How it be? Now you only your photographer. Now they take the picture. Then other people they need the surprise. Like how people they look at. They may be shocked. Yeah, how they get the movie clothes.
Well, first time I start it will just be strictly me and the photographer. Any other person there around, I'm not doing it. I need to do and get for postpone. But eventually, I just start feel comfortable. Not everybody the people that I feel comfortable with, they feel be around. Maybe makeup artists be there if they around. Maybe the photographer need assistant. The person feel be around. It all depends on the concept and how explicit the picture could be. So the people where I feel comfortable around, they feel be around, but not just person where they pass around. Then one can see say, yeah, no, it's not possible.
So like tell me about the first naked picture, the first nude picture we release how they can tell me about the reaction we get them because first we have Facebook, you post on Facebook, people then people all they talk you old. So tell me about how other reaction will make you feel. Like tell me about how you take and
the first reaction, it will make me feel very bad. I lose weight.
Yes. You not really get the weight where Papa go there.
I lose weight. I not be able to come outside and because they bully me online like continuously for like 1 month. Then funny thing is I the one go see the insult. I want to see they follow up every comment we enter my so I want to see yet where they talk and after I see them it could start hurting me but I want to see it. So it will be I not be the chop again. I almost went depressed but after a while I decide say I could give them now back to back. So I'll give them back to back until they learn how to accept me like that.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was not easy. The comments then get to me.
So how you come out from that depression? Like how you come out from that bad state, that the fact that you know with the job, that like so how you come out now from that?
I just get my photographer. He always encourage me somehow. He be like, no, you can do this. And then along the way I realized, say, as I be stressed and depressed and everything, when I go for front camera, I feel relieved. I don't know how it works, but now just even presently, this is one of my happiest moments. Just the day for front camera, when I be stressed and everything, I just want to be for front camera. Then I feel relieved.
Wow.
So as I realize and see that thing that way they go on when I be stressed, so I go for front camera, I feel relief. I wanted to do more and more and more and more. But the insult be see they get to me for a while, yes. Before I just learn I need to read comments them again. Anyway, yes.
Okay, and you're way for deal with them, and I think that the best way for deal with them, like you avoid or for even see them.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a nude modeling thing. Cameroonian, tell me about like the worst reaction we don't get them. The worst ways of person don't talk about that way. You really should also think, say, what am I living?
The worst reaction so far came from my mom.
Wow.
Yeah, my mom lives in Yaoundé too. But me, I need to stay for one place. But be aware, be of a day for social media and stuff like that. So the reaction will come from Mama Mina say immediately some neighbor see him, he can show you. So he cut connection with me. Want to talk for me again, want to see me. If I even go for a house, if he locked door, you don't want to see me.
You know, even talk tell you okay, this is the next thing what you do.
No, you not tell me, but I don't know immediately say that because of Tinwe. Yes. So it take it a while for accept me. Immediately accept me. Because he be the only person who actually, if he accept me already, I no get problem. So immediately accept and so I was good.
Wow. So tell me about how your other family members take care, how your parents take care, how your siblings them,
I know get siblings. I be the only picking. Okay. Maybe my cousin then. My cousin then they see, they say a lot of shit, but I don't care. As for my pa, I would say my mom bring me up as a single mother, but my pa did. So, since he get down for mine about me, not really be important.
Yeah. All right, so like your friend and so, and then people that they around you, like they treat you differently because of the path you don't choose.
I don't get plenty people that they around me, but the few I get them, but the few I get them, they don't just accept me the way I be. Yes, the few I get them, they don't just accept me the way I be. So, yeah.
So for you, like you need to really see when like you talk when you there for front camera, you feel relieved, you feel comfortable in your skin and all of that. It need for you, right? It need to make you uncomfortable. Say, okay, I don't decide to make my body as art. You feel any need for give any explanation for any person concerning what you do?
Presently, I would say no, except the explanation. If I give my explanation, money get for come after. But if the explanation not get me money, then I don't think I owe any person explanation. Maybe I feel only give my explanation for some interview where it really be necessary to say I give some explanation. But I stopped for the explain myself long ago, because the more you explain yourself, people they understand, and the more they keep asking questions and questions and questions. So I beyond stop for explain myself many years ago. Presently, if I get for really explain myself, I mean that they explain them for you, they give me money maybe in return or something. I don't know.
All right, so we'll take a short break and then we'll come back. We'll continue on the better talk for you now. Okay, so Nina, tell we like we don't say plenty people they always attribute nudity to sexuality. Like when people see nakedness, they just calculate as sex. So tell me about, according to you, how you check say that two thing they relate. Like what's be the perception where you get them, like how you succeed for differentiate nudity and sexuality?
It depends on the concept of the picture.
Okay.
Concept of picture and the way it actually. Concept of picture and the way they actually talk about sex and everything, where you see immediately you feel like it's about sex. Someone and the way they talk about art, someone and the way they talk about personal story, and someone it just depends on the concept. Yes.
Okay. Now besides say the professional side, we must say the photo shoot side or the concept side. Now coming to you as personal. How, because definitely when like nudity, because some people they calculate, okay, for example, that will do the photo shoot, if all the people they around, they just calculate and say maybe they look you, then they calculate and say okay, they be around sexually, all that kind of thing. So how you succeed for separate time? Because normally when person take off his clothes, than nudity, but then people they don't now for the generation, people they attribute that kind naked, they attribute nakedness to sex, whether you like or not. Now whether we like or not, that's what they be. So how you think say they separate? How you succeed for separate that shooting?
Well, the separation will only happen time you be close to me, and maybe you show me one of my pictures, and then you be like, "It talking about waiting." I feel easily talk, explain a story behind almost every picture I take. Yes, every concept, because before one go enter studio for take picture, my photographer and I really choose a concept and make sure say we should back up the picture in case it go online, then person need an explanation. So if the explanation will only come if you be close to me, the explanation not will come if you just see an online then start to think otherwise.
Okay, so I mean it's like you and a photographer and I get, because wait to make you feel you get comfortable, but wait about your photographer to make her comfortable with it, because it's not easy for woman for be comfortable man picking with the nakedness, whether a photographer or your person you work with them. So now wait to make her which aspect of you make her open up and be comfortable for that level where when I feel work together for take that kind of pictures then. So now only one person you work with them, like get different photographers then?
No, I don't shoot with different photographers. I don't shoot with William Sy, 44 Pictures, in short, the plenty. And but my main photographer now, Ambe Lawrence. He be very professional. The other people that I don't shoot with, they be professional too. Lawrence is professional. Like I feel so comfortable around it, because firstly we not get no connection when it comes like maybe sexually, boyfriend, girlfriend stuff. No, we don't get that connection. First of all, now one of the reasons that then it be if it draw a concept and we not therefore shoot the concept. When we not get to the studio, it's straight to the concept. After that, we are done. He's very professional. That's all. It be professional. Now just one thing where they make her feel so comfortable around, and his family too. So
people they need used to see your pictures them and then see you. They want talk about your skin, like one maybe one shame your skin, or talk about some aspect of your skin where they don't be like based on some picture where they see that kind of thing they used to happen.
Online, yes, all the comments that you can, but I know I be person who I like my space. I need to really associate, like go this way, go that way. I like my space, so I need to really involve myself aside the way I not get for go. Yes, I not get for go. I need to go. So I never get that comments them like face to face, yeah, physically. But if they online every day, maybe I have to speak some person on drop someone already. So if not online, it be very common. But physically, no, because I need to go side where I not get for go. Then most of the time when I even go some site, I mind my business. I need to try for over show off me. They know say no, not yes, exactly.
All right, so tell me about the financial aspect of nude modeling. How tell me about some of the projects that we don't work on. Like, I mean, projects where they get financial implications, where they either pay you, say, okay, we want to do the concept, we define model. Like, tell me about the financial aspect of the thing.
Well, for now, I never really do any projects, but I don't sell pictures.
Okay.
So
people they buy them.
Yes, people they buy, and most of the people they buy the pictures are foreigners.
Okay.
Yes, foreigners. Sometimes themselves now were Cameroonians already there for that site. Maybe out of the country they propose me for some person way. Maybe I don't know, people already they follow me up. If they see anything will be related to thing what I do, they feature tap me saying I think this way to go on. If you be interested, you can contact this person and stuff like that. So working on projects, no, but selling my pictures, yes.
Okay, so besides nude modeling, like your only career that, or you get any other thing you do apart from modeling, for other things you do, or like the only thing that way you do?
No, I actually own a beauty salon in Yaoundé.
Okay.
They call them Nina's Beauty Salon.
Okay.
I started last year March, so it only go on now for a while. We don't move from a smaller place to a bigger place, so
wow.
So far it's going well.
That's nice. So I mean, your other or you must say your career as nude model, they affect your other, they affect your business as entrepreneur, that kind of thing.
No, presently no. It actually play well. Because when I mostly post some of this, the thing that they do for the salon, I post them for my stories then. So it make them for the way plenty people they want come for the salon because they want can really they ask now you get the salon. I say yes, you're there for the year, so they want come really maybe see that girl where it do the kind picture then. So it play well, it gets me more clients.
Okay.
So far.
Even better. Alright, so tell me about your personal relationship. Like, okay, man, now see like your sexual relationship then. How your boyfriend they take or how your boyfriend they ever used to take the thing, like people they date them, they know say okay, now since they do, they feel comfortable say my girlfriend they show his skin for, like that, or how?
Well, for the time I just start, I faced plenty difficulties with the relationship. I get plenty heartbreaks and plenty. So along the way, I just maybe they just learn how to accept me too.
Anyway, definitely if the boy coming or the man coming already say and saying so you did.
Exactly.
So okay. So what's it about the relationship? Because like which advice you give any person where he look you and he be like, I like to get confidence, I like it confident, will be comfortable for nudity, I want to do nude modeling too. Which advice you give?
I'll actually talk say anyone who want to do nude modeling, me think well, like not just jump into it because say you see me at I do am already. You get for really think if na the thing this way you want to do am. Do it for your own reason. No can do it because say you see me at the post. You don't know why I start am. So you know if you just say look up to me. For example, if you not feel look up to me as a nude model, you feel look up to me as a business person because my business I dey share am almost all man. That different thing and the way if you look up to me, yes, like a business person, a nude model, you just need to make the choice. I know I'm talking no. I want you to look up to me as a nude model and stuff like that. No, just make your choice. Which mean that you want to look up to the business side or the nude models side.
All right, though. So before we conclude this session, the last thing I would like for Nona say, as you get into like, I mean, you don't tell me your story about the fact that you want to be confident, and now whether you see like the nudity as opportunity for you to be confident and comfortable about your skin and about who you be and what you do. Like, tell me about how you come to that place where you feel comfortable for share your nudity with the world, like. How you get to that level where you talk to okay, because definitely you take that picture that you look at you say like way to make how you get comfortable with that level where it says okay much the worst you get my like way to give you the confidence for actually take your fingers to post that for Facebook, post that for your Instagram, post that outside. Yeah, tell me way to make how you get that level of confidence.
Well, I could say I belong get hard things because in my city time I be there not like Sunday on my way to school, I don't know if I'm called and kidnapped or her, but I know say they carry me, they take me where they go school. I be still be very young. Where they go school, I be still the primary school. So they take me, they did thing they for North where they call them where they circumcised woman. Yes. So yes, so I don't they don't take me go for that kind of camp where they gather young small picking and so they circumcise them, then sell them for some people they were
They sell it the part don't cut them.
No, the girls they I don't know.
The girl, they sell it.
Yeah, sell them for some people the way they can't buy the girls. So I be happen for be among I be happen for I don't know whether they call it kidnap. So yes, so I go for the camp. I be there for like 7 days. Now I they over reject me because of the way I looked. All man around the Muslim was they cover up with hairs and everything. Then me I did for that like boy. So it was really difficult for them. So I don't see that kind of thing in them. I don't get a very difficult childhood because up to now when she don't I really imagine thing way they go on around there, and then I feel like what if I go through yes because it's very you see it look horrible for the see that yes.
How many years like how old?
Small this Muslim the picking the way they never even big they just 10 12 that kind of thing.
Understand the parents they can't keep their picking.
No, they actually kidnap them because now the same way me agree for the then for not school then they very far away from home. It did like the government school they give for waka before you reach the school, so it's easy for them for because by then this things Boko Haram not be really there for the maybe be there not be there like now, so that now the business that way they go on for that very place they get this grandma me them some elderly people where that work now for just to do the circumcision. Yeah, so after that I don't get a very difficult.
So how you come up with that place?
I don't know, but I realized say for that camp I see some boy for the Namumu. That boy I used to see for quarter time for start. Yes, so he be know me, but he could not. Yes, so somehow I feel like now the boy saved me from there because I realized some morning time I just discover myself from the roadway it lead to my school. So they put me for sale. I feel easily know my way home. Yes. Then few days after that boy was killed.
Wow.
So I just feel like maybe Naive will save me, then they know Naive save me, then they kill you. So now so I can come up for the place. So as the situation. Yes, the situation, the circumcision stuff is it look horrible. Nothing we know if you ever wish for anybody. Yes. So they sell them out for some people they want to know because the people where they can't buy the picking them, they will tie up their face.
Now which kind of people, blacks, whites?
Now black, but they need to talk now. They talk now that some language, Arabic kind of, yes. Then they tie all their faces. You hardly see their face. The people the way they come by, but the one the way they kidnap you, take them with they show off their face. But that one the way they come by, they tie off their face. Then they make their selection and they give them the goal. Yeah.
They take the pikin, they put the inside motoko.
Yes. They take these hillocks. Yeah, they come with them. Is the place they deep inside? You know this. You know how government school they always they out of town, so they don't. They around that kind of area. The way government school they inside forest. Then they catch the pikin and go to inside again. So yes, then they build these small tents. The way they make them for north with the grass under this. Yes. So yes, they around. So then they picking them. A lot of picking them. So if as I come up for this, so I nothing know the road way they go back for that place again. So now so they do picking them for that side, and that female circumcision is something where they really need to talk about because it's not good at all.
Wow.
So when they talk about the hard way I get them for already, yes, I already face that difficulties and where they grow up and stuff like that. So I just want to be comfortable. I just want to be comfortable, confident, and be able to tell a story. And so for post that picture, they not mean anything because they had be ready.
Wow. Your story really be very, very interesting. Your childhood, and that's the help for North. We just hope say it maybe still happen, and if it still happen, we just hope say the necessary thing they really need for be done for stop and they need for be done because wow. Alright, so you know if you come better for go so get some gifts for you.
Thank
you. Yes, so just for appreciate you for the time we don't spend our week and for your story we don't decide for share our week, and we really appreciate who you be. And we wish you the best. Everything we do, a better for you for always support you. So before you go, tell me about some your pineapple, like the pineapple, if you like when you lay down, the particular statement where they come to your mind, where they make you feel better. Tell me about some proverb or some, I mean, as we talk for pidgin pineapple way, now like your best, one of your favorites, the make you feel better.
The pineapple way they make me feel better, and I say, when you fall, no remain for down, stand up, then continue the journey from that place where you fall.
Amen. All right, thank you plenty, Nina, and thank you better people for the time we'll spend together. See you next time for another episode of Better Topo.